How to go live on CoverStar, full step-by-step tutorial. To go live in CoverStar 2025, first thing you need to do is to open the CoverStar application. Make sure you're logged into your account, and if you don't have one, sign up using your email or social media. Now click on this plus icon at the bottom middle of your screen. So this opens the content creation menu, and then in here, make sure to enable all of the required features first. And then from here, swipe or tap to switch from vlog or post to live. And you may need to grant camera and microphone permissions. So set up your live stream. After that, add a title, a thumbnail, a set the privacy. So as you can see, I don't have that live option yet since my account is new, but you can actually get that once you're longer on using the platform. So on your live, you can go ahead and add effects or filters. So CoverStar offers real-time filters, stickers, and overlays. You can preview this before going live and then tap the go live button once everything's set, and then you'll be broadcasting instantly to your followers. So once you're live, engage with your viewers. Tap on the end button to end the stream if you're done doing your live.